Right. Good morning, students. Look here. This is 14th chapter, Sources of Energy. Sources of Energy, first video. Class 10. What is sources of energy? We already have studied about it. We have already studied. What we have studied, now we will compare last, because after 10 sources of energy will come in a separate branch, not in class wise. So look here, sources of energy, topics. What are the topics present for us? Sources of energy, first topic. Types of sources of energy, second topic. Conventional sources of energy, conventional sources of energy and non-conventional sources of energy. Four topics are given for us. Right, come to source. What is source? Look here, source, anything that provides us energy is called source. Anything that provides energy, anything provides energy, that thing is called source. When we are looking at thing is the source, then look here, examples, solar energy from sun. What energy we are getting, it is called solar energy. Second, wind energy. With the help of which energy we are getting, that energy is called wind energy. Hydro energy. With water, which energy we are getting? With water, which energy we are getting, that energy is called the hydro energy. Biofuels. Here, one thing I want to explain you. What is biofuels? Biofuels is called biomass. With biomass, which energy you are getting? Biofuel energy. Under biomass, what is biomass? Biomass is organic matter. Biomass is made up of organic matter. Organic matter is nothing but with the help of plants, or with the help of animals. Under animals we also become. Animals are plants. With the help of animals and plants, which energy we will get? That energy comes under fuel energy. Biofuel energy. And geothermal energy. What is geothermal energy? Geothermal energy, we are telling that from the earth, which energy we will get, that energy is called geothermal energy. From here, simply one, I am telling you, radioactive rocks are there. From the radioactive rocks, we will get radioactive elements to break the stones, crack, everything. Many things. Look here, types of sources. What are the types of sources? Look here. Types of sources. One, renewable sources. Second one, non-renewable sources. Here, renewable sources of energy and non-renewable sources of energy. Two types of sources energies are there. Renewable sources of energy, non-renewable sources of energy. What are they? What are the terms? What is their meaning? Now we can look here. Very clearly, renewable sources of energy. What is its definition? Definition is that the sources, look here, the sources that can be reused and do not exhaust. Look here. The sources that can be reused and do not exhausted. Which sources of reused and cannot exhausted is called renewable sources of energy. Examples already I written for you. Hey, it is a renewable sources of energy. Water, it is a renewable sources of energy. Wind, it is a renewable sources of energy. Any source. Which source is reused and do not exhausted. That type of energies are called renewable sources of energy. Solar energy also. The sources of energy, look here. Non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy. The sources of energy that get exhausted, first point, that get exhausted, sources of energy which get exhausted over a period of time when their judicious use is not carried out. Exactly opposite to the renewable sources of energy. I mean any source which is not reuseful, which is not reuseful and compulsory should exhaust. Compulsory should exhaust. Mean completed. Compulsory should complete and should not reuse. That type of sources are called non-renewable sources of energy. Definition is important. Definition you should write in proper way. The sources of energy that get exhausted over a period of time when their judicious use is not carried out. Example, nuclear fuels. Nuclear fuels. Coal, nuclear fuels and petroleum. Look here, fuels. What is fuels? Anything that provides us energy is called fuels. Anything that provides energy is called fuels. Either fuels may be in solid form, fuels may be in liquid form, fuels may be in gas form. Any form they can contain, but they should give energy. Look here. Solid form, coal is the example for fuel energy. Coal is the example of fuel energy which is present in solid form. Liquid form, kerosene is the example of fuel energy which is in the form of liquid. And look, the LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, which is present in gas form, but example comes under fuel energy, right? And that LPG gas is made up of butane gas. So look here. Next, what is the characteristics of ideal fuel? Ideal fuel. What is the characteristics? Compulsory it is needed. Characteristics A. Ideal fuel characteristics. Fuel characteristics. Look here. It should be cheap. First point. Ideal fuel should be cheap. Second point, what is that? It should be easily stored. Ideal fuel compulsory should store easily. Third one, ideal fuel should have high calorific value, not normal. High calorific value. And ideal fuel, ideal fuel should have proper ignition temperature. Ignition means lighting temperature. lighting, fire producing temperature. Fire producing temperature, fire lighting temperature is called ignition temperature, first temperature. Next, that ideal fuel should not leave any residue, should not leave any residue. Here residue there, okay. Residue means, for example, charcoal leave coal as residue, charcoal leave ash as residue, ash. So residue should not be. When you are driving bikes or vehicle, then smoke is the residue. So ideal fuel should not leave any residue. Thank you.